Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of ham radios with the TIDRADIO TD-H8 10W 2nd Gen ham radio handheld. Let's see what makes this handheld radio stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk power. The TD-H8 boasts an impressive 10-watt output, giving you unmatched communication range whether you're out on an adventure or tackling professional tasks. With its rugged design and long-lasting battery, this radio is built to withstand the challenges of the field, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. One standout feature of the TD-H8 is its wireless programming capability. With the Oddmaster Programmer app, you can conveniently program the radio on the go, no additional equipment needed. And for added convenience, the TD-H8 supports dual-band functionality, allowing simultaneous reception and communication on two distinct frequency bands. Take a look at this vibrant color display. It's crisp, bright, and easy to read, giving you a better visual experience, whether you're monitoring channels or accessing critical information. Now, let's talk battery life. The TD-H8 comes equipped with a large 2,500 mAh battery, offering up to 12 hours of continuous use and a standby time of up to 60 hours. You'll never have to worry about running out of power during your adventures. And when it comes to emergencies or extended outdoor escapades, having a reliable communication companion like the TD-H8 can make all the difference. In conclusion, the TIDRADIO TD-H8 10W ham radio handheld ticks all the boxes for both casual users and professionals. With its powerful performance, wireless programming, and rugged design, it's a must-have for anyone looking to stay connected in any situation. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy communicating.